everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I haven't made a pizza on my channel in quite a while, so why not go ahead and make a Philly cheesesteak pizza. It sounds delicious, and if it's one of your favorites then you may want to stick around and see how I make it. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time, so if you can head on over there, subscribe and support it, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Have you guys been enjoying watching the World Cup? I know I have, and instead of ordering takeout, I just decided to go ahead and make this very simple and delicious Philly steak cheese pizza. And I don't think I've even had pizza, probably sometime last year. It's amazing how time flies, but during the games I just think it's the perfect thing to make. So I'm going to start out by slicing around a cup of onions. And I'm going to make sure to cut up all of my vegetables around the same size so that they all cook around the same time. So I'm going to use 2 bell peppers. I'm going to start off by slicing up around a cup of green bell peppers. So those are done, and now I'm going to go ahead and slice up around a cup of red bell peppers. So the bell peppers are all done, and now I'm going to get started on the cremini mushrooms. This is something that I love to put on my pizza, or anything for that matter. I really love mushrooms. But before I do anything, I'm just going to take a wet paper towel and just clean the tops off. You definitely don't want to run them over water because they're porous and they're going to really absorb water. And I'm just going to take my knife and begin cutting up slices as well. I'm going to use some mozzarella and provolone cheese for my pizza, and sorry that my camera was not focused there. So I'm just going to go ahead and shred around a cup of mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to take around 4 slices of provolone cheese and just take my knife and just slice it up and then chop it up into pieces. And I really love using these cheeses because they melt and is really gooey. So both of my cheeses are ready to go, and now I'm going to get started on the steak. And I have a pound of sirloin steak, and I found this package and they were already cut up in slices, so that was perfect. So I'm ready to head on over to the stove, and over medium-high heat because I want a hot pan. I'm going to go ahead and warm up some avocado oil. Okay, so while the oil is warming up, let me just go ahead and grab all the seasonings I'm going to use. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add the steak to the hot pan, and I'm going to let this brown up for about 5 minutes. Now while the steak is cooking, I'm going to add some sea salt and some black pepper and some garlic and onion powder. And just continue to cook the beef browned up to your liking. So my steak is done, and I'm just going to take it out the pan because I'm going to warm up another tablespoon of oil, and now I'm going to saute all those vegetables. And all those bits and pieces left over from the steak is going to add so much flavor. And I'm just going to quickly season the vegetables with some sea salt and some black pepper. And just continue to saute the vegetables for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now while the vegetables are finishing cooking, I'm going to get started on prepping my pizza pan, and I like to make pizza in a cast iron skillet. And you can choose whatever pan that you like, but I really like the crust to be really crispy. So as you can see, I'm just going to add some oil to the bottom and the sides of the pan, or the cast iron skillet, and I've already preheated the oven at 450, and I'm just going to let this sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the skillet is out the oven, and now I'm going to add the pizza dough. And this is a store-bought pizza dough I got from Trader Joe's. And I just put my gloves on and just put some oil on them so that it doesn't stick to the dough. And just continue to use your fingers to spread the dough out across the bottom of the pan and even on the sides so that the pizza filling doesn't fall out. Now let's start building a pizza. So the first layer will be the cooked sirloin steak that I cooked earlier. Now I'm ready to add the sautéed vegetables, the onions, the bell peppers, and the mushrooms. And now I'm ready to add the shredded mozzarella and provolone cheese. And just to top it off, I'm just going to add some fresh chopped parsley and some fresh cracked black pepper. I love black pepper. And just a little bit of drizzle of some olive oil. My oven is still preheated at 450 degrees, and I'm going to let this bake for 15 minutes. And there you have it, after 15 minutes straight out the oven and looking absolutely delicious. It's golden brown. You can see the melted cheese, the sautéed onions, the bell peppers, the mushrooms, and of course those delicious steak bites. And of course the crust is just the way I like it, nice and crispy. So whether you're watching the World Cup or just hanging out with family or friends, you have to make this pizza a 10 out of 10. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Hype up this video, you guys. Let's get it into the algorithm. And follow me on my new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.